Good morning, children. I hope you all are doing good. Children, you all know that today we have English Summative Assessment 2. So, in this video, I will explain all the questions one by one. You all are requested not to skip this video because in the last question मैंने आपको कुछ लेटर्स डिक्टेट किए हैं और क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 को अटेम्प्ट करने के लिए आपको मैम को ध्यान से सुनना है और क्वेश्चन को अटेम्प्ट करना है. अंडरस्टूड चिल्ड्रन? सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, राइट डाउन टुडेज डेट here and the spelling of your name here over the blank spaces, right? Let's read question number 1. Fill the missing letters. In this question, I have written few letters but forgot to write few. So children, please help me to know which letter comes over the blank space. Right? I know you all are super intelligent and it is very easy for you to complete this question. Question number 2. Match the word with the correct picture. Children, I know matching is your favorite activity. Children, see on the left side there are few CVC words and you have to read all the words one by one and match the word with its correct picture. Right? Moving to the next question. Question number 3. Unscramble the letters to spell the name of picture. Children, see, I have drawn some beautiful pictures and below these pictures I have written few letters. Right? First you have to speak the name of picture and then according to the name of picture you need to rearrange all the letters and write the correct spelling of the picture in these boxes. Right? Question number 4. Circle the correct word. Children, on the left side you can see 4 pictures in a separate rows. In each row I have written 2 words. First you will see the picture, speak the name of picture and then find the correct spelling of the name of picture. Finally, you have to circle the correct spelling. Right, children? Here is our question number 5. Phonic drill. In this question, I will dictate you the sound of letters. You have to listen it attentively and write the particular letter which belongs to that sound on the correct sequence. Right? So let's begin. Number 1 is G. G as in grapes. Number 2 is D. D as in dog. Number 3 is W. W as in well. Number 4 is B. B as in bell. Number 5 is K. K as in king. This way you have to complete all 3 worksheets and share with your class teacher. Best of luck. Take care. Bye-bye.